Hello and welcome to an update on Bitcoin. I wanted to take a moment here on the daily chart. Yesterday, I made a video here on X, for anybody who's following here, to talk about the daily time frame, share with you the parameters for the week. And I said to you and I warned that the yellow scenario is highly likely, it is leading. And if the wave count is correct, we should see a rapid decline towards $98,350 in this third wave. Again, you can watch the video. It was all in there. I actually kind of replied now to that previous video because I said to you in this video or in that video, I will update it along the way. So you see how the forecast progresses. And hey, it's kind of playing out. I know it's not the way people want it, but I shared in one of the videos earlier today that I actually find it quite positive that we finally get some movement and the market is starting to get oversold. We might not have struck the low yet. And here on the daily chart, the structure that has developed allows me now to add another resistance area. So basically, Fibonacci resistance is now between $101,767 and $104,990. What we have seen is this yellow count, in which, just see, I need to change the wave degree there. So we have an A, B, C structure to the downside in a larger A wave. Then this could be a B wave, and now we're coming down in a C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. And I shared with you that the first ideal target for the third wave is $98,350. We've basically touched it. I mean, a few $100, above, we've kind of now stopped. It would look best with another low, the internal third wave, but I can't rule out that wave 4 is already starting. In that case, we should stay below 104,989 and then get one more low to at least 96,289. There's another level there at 94,511. That gives you the parameters for the coming sessions. I also shared with you that the 55-week exponential moving average is important. A lot of people are sharing the 50 day or 50 week? I'm using the 55-week exponential moving average, not the 50-day or week. I think people are using the weekly one. But I'm using the 55-week EMA for various reasons that I talked about in previous updates, and the price bounced exactly from it. Exactly, okay? So it's relevant. So that's an additional support and the June low. There remain additional key levels at around 98.5K. So I mean, we've now reached a cluster of support. Market nearly oversold. And so that gives you the parameter, the resistance parameters, yeah? Now this is the short-term bearish count. Now if we get another low, then this could mark just an A wave of an even larger correction, and we get a B wave bounce and further downside. There is always from here or from here the chance for the chart to rally to all-time highs. But for me to start looking for higher prices from a structural point of view to confirm that we are attempting another rally, and let's say that possibly a lasting low has formed, we need to see a micro 5-wave move up, either from here or from down here. If we start that rally from where we are now, I would still treat the move to the downside as a wave 4. If we get another low, you could even call it a wave 2. Okay? So how could that be the case in wave 4? How would that play out? I have to say, a somewhat speculative count, but it's possible that in the yellow count, wave 4 finished here already, then we formed the wave 5, and now we're in a larger correction. Whereas in the white count, the third wave finished here. All of this is the fourth, and we get another high in 5. And this fourth wave could be a complex W, X, Y structure, and the Y wave is A, B, C. So I haven't talked about the microstructure of it before, but I kind of moved this fourth wave with the price all the time, and that's basically the microstructure that would apply there. Yeah. And that should give you all the levels actually, right? So basically we're now in an area where a larger bounce becomes more and more likely, but I have no evidence that a meaningful low has formed. So I'll talk about it going forward. I'm going to update it. Currently, I have no reason to believe that a meaningful low has formed. Maybe we get another low, yeah. Maybe we get oversold on the daily RSI, but obviously around 100K, we have structural support. We have the 55-week EMA. We had micro target areas, and it's just a psychological level. So yeah, that's the update. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.